Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Metamask to your bank via exchange, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your Metamask wallet and ensure you are logged in. Check your wallet for the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Next, choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that supports your currency. Create an account on the exchange if you don't already have one. Complete any necessary identity verification as required by the exchange. Once your account is set up, navigate to the deposit section of the exchange. Locate your wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Copy this wallet address carefully. Return to your Metamask wallet. Click on the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Select the option to send or withdraw. Paste the copied exchange wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm all details are correct to avoid any mistakes. Proceed to authorize the transaction. Wait for the transaction to process on the blockchain. This may take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, check your account on the exchange for the deposited funds. Now, navigate to the withdrawal section of the exchange. Select your preferred fiat currency that you want to withdraw to your bank. Enter the withdrawal amount and follow the prompts to add your bank details. Submit the withdrawal request and confirm any verification steps. Monitor your bank account for the funds to arrive, which could take several business days. You have successfully withdrawn from Metamask to your bank via exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.